Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to share your Roblox profile on PC with the latest update. So let's get started. First, open Roblox on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and hop right into your Roblox experience. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the page for your username. It's usually located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on your username to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, keep an eye out for the QR code icon right under your username. This nifty feature is a great addition to the platform. Click on that icon to open a pop-up window. In this pop-up, you'll see the option to copy your profile link. Go ahead and click on Copy Profile Link. This will save your link to your clipboard, making it easy to share with friends. Finally, it's time to share your link. Whether you want to send it via social media, messaging apps, or even in a game chat, just paste the link where you want. Your friends will now have direct access to your Roblox profile, making it simple for them to check out your games and creations. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Roblox profile on PC with just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!